Recently, a giant oarfish dubbed the Doomsday fish was found on a beach in Mexico. This type of fish is known to weigh more than 200 kilograms and live only in the deep sea without ever surfacing, which led to a long-standing belief that a disaster such as a large earthquake or tsunami will occur when this fish is seen on the surface. While scientists argue that this is a myth with no scientific evidence, the uncertainty surrounding the phenomenon continues to fuel widespread fear. Today, we explore the mysteries of the deep sea and its elusive inhabitants. The world of deep-sea fish, adapted to live in the deep ocean. The deep ocean refers to the areas of the sea located below an average depth of around 4,300 meters. These regions are shrouded in complete darkness, as sunlight rarely penetrates, leading to frigid temperatures and immense water pressure acting on everything submerged within. However, many creatures have specialized features to live in this inhospitable environment. The deep sea is home to deep-sea fish that, just like fireflies, emit luminescence, cold light emitted without heat when a substance absorbs energy, a chemical reaction in which a chemical called luciferin is oxidized by the protein enzyme luciferase. Sometimes, the fish themselves produce light, but most often, it comes from luminescent bacteria living on their bodies. Deep-sea fish can survive pressures exceeding 1,000 atmospheres, thanks to a unique adaptation developed over millions of years. They are able to fill their bodies with water, balancing the pressure inside their bodies with that of the surrounding water. Unlike fish near the surface, deep-sea fish lack a swim bladder, which is typically filled with gas like nitrogen to help fish float. This makes their body structure poorly suited for life closer to the surface. This has led to the idea that deep-sea fish rising to the surface is a precursor to a major earthquake. In fact, some Japanese researchers investigated to verify the connection between deep-sea fish and earthquakes. In 2017, researchers at Tokai University in Japan studied deep-sea salmons called slender ribbon fish, also known as earthquake fish. This fish was known to leave the deep sea to avoid electrical changes on the ocean floor just before an earthquake. However, the analysis showed that out of the 363 cases in which these deep-sea salmon were found, only 13, about 4%, were followed by earthquakes. The research team concluded that deep-sea fish migration cannot be considered a practical pre-measure to earthquakes. However, as it isn't entirely unrelated to earthquakes, the debate between the scientific community and folklore about whether the floating of deep-sea fish is a harbinger of a major quake would continue.